Hey, what's up, everyone? Dan Rivers here, Rivers Capital Group. I want to go over a year-end market update here in the Charleston, South Carolina area. As you can see here, these are closed sales. And what we did is we pulled up the last 10 years worth of data because I think it's really important for us to see. As you can see here, in 2015 to about, obviously, right around COVID, it was pretty steady. Obviously, it grew a little bit 2015 to 16, but we were pretty steady closing somewhere around 18,000-ish homes. And then 2021, 22, and rolling into 23, but especially 2020, 2021, 2022, it got up to over 25,000 homes closed here in the Charleston, South Carolina area. And then we've dipped back down, but we've really stayed pretty steady. The last 3 years, we've been between a little over 17,000 homes to about 17,700 homes sold, a little over that this year. So something that I mentioned the last time a few months ago was that we're really seeing the trend that we're stabilizing back to pre-COVID numbers. And I'm going to show you a couple charts to show that that's still showing to be the case the past 3 years. So this is the first one. I'm going to show you the closed sales. Now we're going to go to homes currently for sale. And we'll see, again, pre-COVID, you're talking anywhere between a little over 6,000 to around 5,500 or so homes for sale. And then that dipped to, I think it was under 2,000 homes for sale in 2022. And then everybody knows kind of June 2023 when everything turned back around. But we're looking to go back up there. Right now, I think the homes for sale are about a little over 5,000 homes for sale in the Charleston Tri-County, which I want to show you what that looks like on months supply. So again, you'll see here, you had between about 5 months supply down to about 4 months worth of supply forever, dipped back down in 2022, and we're back up to about 4 months, 3.9, I believe it is right now, months supply for inventory here in Charleston. We're talking, again, back in these days, it was between 5,000 and 6,000 homes for sale. Here we're a little over 5,000 homes for sale. Not to mention, I mean, there's something that I think is very important to know is that the Charleston Tri-County is an area that has been growing over the past handful of years since pre-COVID. And they're predicting in the next few years, we're going to hit over 1 million people in the Charleston Tri-County area. So not only is the inventory pretty close to the same, it's actually still under what it was pre-COVID. We have a lot more people living in the Tri-County, a lot more homes needed. And that's why we're at 3.9 absorption rate versus a 5, which we were with roughly the same amount of homes for sale pre-COVID. So this is a quick market update to kind of show you what's going on. In a nutshell, what we're seeing is the market's beginning to stabilize and become normal again. Obviously, things can happen. There's a lot of factors that can change that, but we're seeing normalization in the market. We're seeing normalization in the market and the mortgage rates. Anybody who's been shopping mortgages recently have known that it's kind of like sitting just above 6%, even with the Fed adjustments. The mortgage rates are sitting right above 6% for that 30-year basic mortgage. So hopefully we'll see what happens in 2026, but we're seeing a lot of stabilization. And I have read a few articles where a lot of predictions are, they're talking to people who have been waiting on the sidelines to buy a home. And it was something like 83% of people that have been waiting are ready to buy a home in 2026. So we're going to see what this year turns out to be, but we're super excited about it. Our team alone already has 12 under contract rolling the 2026. Making offers, listing homes. So we're really excited to see what this year brings for us, and we're here for any of your real estate needs. Cheers.